Hello, English learners from around the world. If you're searching for a story that blends music, poetry, pain, and power, and also helps you improve your English, you're in the right place. Today's story isn't just about fame or Grammy Awards. It's about Kendrick Lamar, a kid from Compton who turned his scars into songs and became the voice of a generation. As we go through his journey, you'll pick up real-life English vocabulary and be reminded of how powerful words can be. He didn't shout. He didn't brag. He just wrote, and shook the world with his truth. Kendrick Lamar Duckworth was born in 1987 in Compton, California, a city known for music, but also for gangs, poverty, and violence. His family didn't have much. His parents had moved from Chicago, hoping for a better life. But things were tough. As a kid, Kendrick was quiet, observant. While others got lost in the chaos, he watched, listened, and began writing poetry. He admired Tupac Shakur and Dr. Dre, two icons from his own city. One day, when Kendrick was just 8 years old, he saw Tupac and Dr. Dre filming the music video for California Love in Compton. That moment planted a dream. At school, Kendrick was an excellent student. But outside, life was a different story. Gang culture was everywhere. Many of his friends were pulled into the streets. Kendrick had to make a choice: follow the crowd, or follow his pen. He chose the pen. He began writing rhymes, turning his observations into lyrics. But he didn't rap about riches or cars. He rapped about fear. About survival. About real life. And slowly, people listened. Kendrick wasn't an overnight success. For years, he released mixtapes that went mostly unnoticed. He had talent, but some critics said he was too soft. Too quiet. Not flashy enough. At one point, Kendrick began to doubt himself. Maybe he wasn't meant to make it. Maybe the world didn't want honesty, just noise. But deep inside, he knew, his voice mattered. Even if only a few heard it. So he kept writing. Then came 2012. Kendrick released Good Kid, Mad City. It was more than music, it was a movie in sound. He told the story of a young boy navigating the streets of Compton, trying to stay true in a world full of traps. The world listened. Critics called it a masterpiece. Fans connected deeply with his words. He wasn't just another rapper, he was a storyteller. From there, Kendrick rose fast, but he stayed humble. In 2015, he released To Pimp a Butterfly, an album filled with jazz, funk, and raw emotion. It explored race, identity, depression, and fame. Then, in 2017, came Damn. The album won the Pulitzer Prize, something no rapper had ever done. Through it all, Kendrick remained himself, quiet, thoughtful, powerful. His music wasn't about showing off. It was about showing truth. Kendrick Lamar teaches us that, you don't need to be loud to be heard. Pain can be fuel for art. Staying true to yourself is the greatest victory. He once said, "I've been called many things, but I've never been called fake." Whether you're learning English, writing music, or just trying to stay strong in a loud world, remember Kendrick's story. Sometimes, the quietest voices carry the most power. If Kendrick's story moved you, share it with someone who needs to hear that their voice matters too. Try summarizing this story in your own words to practice your English. Want more stories like this to boost your English skills? Follow, stay inspired, and never stop learning.